the Cigar Factory.
Near El Limon waterfall, our guided tour began in the local cigar factory. The generator hums in the background of this small off-grid cigar factory. The tobacco mounds were carefully measured during the prep process, and now we're witnessing the final steps of the cigar making process. Here is a demonstration where he manually cuts the tobacco leaf and the traditional cigar rolling by hand. This craftsman demonstrates precision cutting with every single cigar. Pick up a few boxes of these traditional Dominican cigars. This factory store is fully stocked.
Hay mucho